How to enable adaptive brightness on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on through display settings or directly from your quick panel. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Display. After that, just below the brightness slider, you'll see a toggle labeled Adaptive Brightness. Turn that on, and your device will automatically adjust screen brightness based on your surroundings and usage habits. Following this, if you'd rather do it without going into settings, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. From here, tap the three dots next to the brightness slider. After that, you'll see the adaptive brightness toggle right there. Tap it to turn it on without needing to dig through settings at all. Finally, once enabled, your screen will get brighter in well-lit environments and dim down automatically in darker ones, which also helps save battery over time. That's how you enable adaptive brightness on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.